Fred here, welcome back to the Gear Obsession channel. In this episode, I will be installing a TACSTAR extension tube for my Benelli Nova. This is a 7-shot model, which means it adds 2 more shots to your tube. As with anything relating to gun maintenance, you want to go ahead and establish that you are clear. So, pointing in a safe direction, and I had already emptied the tube, but I'm going to go ahead and do it on camera because I don't want to upset the YouTube police. The next step is to remove. I'm going to go ahead and do this so I can get this into the shot here. So I'm going to remove this nut. And just to make things easy, I'm going to go ahead and take the barrel off. Just to keep it out of the way. Now, as you can see, there's a spring retainer in here. And you can pry this out with a screwdriver, but what I'm going to use is this channel lock tool with these pins, because what you have here are 2 holes that I can go ahead and stick these 2 pins in and compress them and pull it out. Now, there's a spring behind this retainer, so you want to maintain control when that pops out. I think I could probably get it out. Yeah, there we go. And I want to make sure you can see this. So you want to maintain control, and you can see there's a spring, and here's the retainer. Here's your spring. That's on the end. And you can see that this spring is a bit bigger. Here's the old spring on the top. Here's the new spring on the bottom. So you can see it's a couple of inches longer. And we'll go ahead and take this cap here, move it over to the new longer spring, and we'll go ahead and run it down the tube as such. Now, probably the smart thing would have been to put the barrel back on first. So, probably the smart thing to do would have been to put the barrel on first. So I'm going to take this spring with the cap out. And I'm going to go ahead and put the barrel back in. So, I'm going to go ahead and put our new spring down there, like so. And then we'll take our brand new extension here, and run that down here. Screw it on. Appears to be working good. So here's how it looks now with that extension on there. Now, before I started all of this, I was able to put 5 down into the chamber. Now I'm putting this in a safe direction. I'm not going to load anything into the chamber. We're going to see how many I can get in here now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's what I was able to put in before. So now I should be able to put in 2 more. 6, 7. Can I put in 8? Let's see. Nope. So I have 7. I'm going to go ahead and point this in a safe direction. There's nothing, no people, no houses, and there's a hill in this direction. So I'm going to go ahead and function check. Okay, 1 is chambered. Ejected. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're clear. So that works really good. So again, this is a 7-round extension 2 for the Benelli Nova shotgun. Very easy to install. It's probably the hardest part of this whole exercise is removing this spring retainer. And I use this. It's not a very good decision. Probably just prying it out with a screwdriver would work the best. So I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Gear Obsession channel, and I hope you see that it is very simple to add this extension tube to add to your capacity. By the way, this is my home defense shotgun. This Benelli Nova tactical with peep sights is an outstanding 12 gauge shotgun. I would recommend it to anybody. It's a great price. I'm not sure what the price is today, and you know, whenever you're watching this video, it could be totally different, but it's relatively inexpensive. It's never failed on me, and it's an outstanding home defense gun. So if you want more information on this, you could go back to some past episodes and find it. It's in a couple of my videos, and I think I have some that are specifically on this. So again, thank you very much for stopping by the Gear Obsession channel. I appreciate friends and subscribers and viewers. Have a great evening.